The speech was called when Howie met Gary because of those two cases. The Howie case we've talked about. The Gary Plastics case was a case involving a CD, a certificate of deposit. And by statute, certificates of deposit are declared not to be subject to securities regulation. But in the Gary Plastic case, a CD was. And it was because it was repackaged and offered in a way where the broker was adding some services and creating an expectation from the folks that were buying the CDs from them that they would do more to that CD and give them a better return. So we titled it that because it sort of illustrates the point. Regardless of what you call something, a token or whatever, we're going to look at it on a principles basis. And so a CD, which is by statute not a security, could be a security. A token, just because you call it a token, doesn't mean it is a security or it's not a security. You have to look at the circumstances around the way it's being sold and what people are expecting when they purchase it.
As always, welcome back to Money Side, your favorite crypto news channel. If you're new here, welcome to the XRP team. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications if you haven't already so you don't miss out on our daily crypto news updates. In the last couple of weeks, the crypto market has been down. It's an absolute bloodbath over there. All we can see is red. Now, I know we should be crying, but us long-term bulls see an opportunity to make money. When the markets are down, this is the best time for us to enter the market and acquire all the best assets at the most affordable prices. Especially with XRP at 39 cents, this is the most ideal time to get in and stack up our bags. How amazing would it be to be among the world's 1% once the price of XRP moons? The record high will be here in just a couple of months, so don't be left behind. Things will be getting even more interesting when Ripple versus SEC lawsuit settles. That's because at this point, Ripple will switch its mark on the global financial through the extensive cross-border remittance corridors. At this time, we will easily see a $10 or $100 price tag for XRP. With XRP at just $100, it will be life-changing for all XRP holders. In the meantime, let's take a look at this interesting video from Yahoo Finance.
SEC Chair Gary Gensler says that they need more money from Congress to police cryptocurrencies during a House hearing this morning on the agency's budget, while also stressing again that cryptocurrencies are highly speculative.
Right now, the investing public in all communities are not well protected. In terms of what this committee can do is help us get, again, we're not trying to grow really significantly, but resources to grow at least 6% and grow our enforcement arm in this space.
Gensler emphasized again that he believes the SEC has jurisdiction over the vast number of cryptocurrencies, but that Bitcoin may be a commodity token. He said if crypto players are raising money from the public, then there should be full and fair disclosure, which Gensler says is missing now. The Wall Street cop reiterated that crypto exchanges need to register with the SEC and warn the public about investing in crypto now.
These exchanges are trading against their customers. They literally are making markets versus their customers. They're holding the what's called the private key. If they lose them or there's hacks, guess what? The public will just have to get in line like they're in bankruptcy court.
According to Yahoo Finance, Chairman Gary Gensler directed SEC staff last year to explore ways to make the stock market more efficient for small investors and public companies. While aspects of the effort are in varying stages of development, one idea that has gained traction is to require brokerages to send most individual investors' orders to be routed into auctions where trading firms compete to execute them. People familiar with the matter said. SEC staffers have begun floating plans with market participants in recent weeks. Mr. Gensler is planning to detail some of the potential changes in a speech on Wednesday, these people added. The most consequential change being discussed would affect the way that trades are handled after an investor places a so-called market order with a broker to buy or sell a stock. Market orders, which account for the majority of individual investors' trades, don't specify a minimum or maximum price the investor is willing to pay. Mr. Gensler said he wants to ensure that brokers execute orders at the best possible price for investors, the highest price for when an investor is selling, or the lowest price if they are buying. After a year of internal deliberations, the agency has honed in on a narrowing set of proposals. If the SEC votes to release them for public comment later this year, they would have a path to implementation as Democrats hold a majority of the seats on the commission. The agency is also considering creating a more stringent version of the so-called best execution rule that directs brokers to find the most favorable terms for their customers. Two of the people said the rule that brokers currently follow was written by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, an industry body overseen by the SEC. I don't know about you, but it seems that the SEC is looking for excuses at every turn. As of right now, they want to say that the video by Chris Brummer is doctored, and they can't confirm or deny that it is actually Bill speaking. From what we've seen so far, the SEC is trying to drag this case along as long as they can so they can ensure they don't come to a conclusion. While in a literal sense, they might be the ones at fault here. The SEC went for Ripple, and they were not prepared for Ripple or the XRP army to fight back. The regulatory body ended up biting off more than they can chew, and that's exactly what is happening here. The regulatory body thought that this was an obvious win, since they are attacking Ripple on two fronts. As you can clearly see, though, there's someone suppressing the price of XRP despite the obvious good news surrounding this crypto and the company behind it. XRP now has several use cases, and the crypto-powered network keeps on growing day by day. But for some reason, which I can confidently state that there's some third-party suppression on this coin, the price of XRP keeps going down. Currently, the price has dropped to below 50 cents, and it keeps dropping. However, we do expect a turn on tides when everyone comes back to normal and the suppression is over. XRP is going to be the bridge currency that will join the crypto and fiat worlds together. And Ripple will be the company sealing the deals to bring fiat companies into the crypto world. But that doesn't mean that there's a promise made by Ripple to the XRP army. No siree. Like any other company, Ripple is only in charge of working to bring crypto and fiat worlds together. In no way is the company in charge of driving XRP's price higher. The same goes for companies behind big projects like Ethereum. As a matter of fact, nobody even knows the companies that founded these cryptos. For instance, what's the company behind Ethereum? Exactly my point. If it wasn't for the SEC, nobody would even know that Ripple was behind XRP. So no one in the cryptosphere ever made a deal with Ripple while buying XRP. The SEC is obviously not the one pulling the strings, and that's why they have contradicting statements. They can't easily state one thing at a time and stick with it. Chances are there's a bigger whale that is responsible for what is happening to Ripple right now. Maybe it's a competitor, or maybe the government. Who knows? Whoever they are, they need to understand that they can't stop this coin for too much longer. Sooner rather than later, the XRP army will enter this court case, and that will be a win for Ripple. All we have to do as XRP holders is ride the wave to the top, which is going to be happening soon. So keep on holding, and let's wait for XRP to go bullish despite how the market seems right now. As always, do your own research and always trade safely, guys. We continue to pray for the people of Ukraine. Let's stop the war. Please keep in mind, we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. You can let us know what you think in the comment section below. Let's have a conversation. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and please click on that subscribe button below. And be sure to turn on notifications so you get informed whenever we post our amazing content. Thanks again, and we will see you on the next Money Side.